In today's video, we're diving into Helium 10 and how you can set up product alerts so you can instantly catch hijackers and protect your Amazon listings. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and if you've ever woken up to find someone else selling on your listing or messing with your buy box, you know how frustrating that is. Hijackers hurt your sales, your brand, and your customer trust. But the good news is you can catch them fast and act before damage is done. So Helium 10's alert tool is like a 24/7 watchdog for your Amazon listing. It tracks your product pages in real time and instantly notifies you if anything changes, like new sellers appearing, title or image edits, the buy box being taken over. So instead of checking your listings manually every single day, which nobody has time for, you set up an alert once and let the software keep watch for you. This is a must-have for private label sellers who want to keep control of their brand. So why this even matters? So Amazon hijackers aren't just annoying, they can completely tank your sales and rankings. Most hijackers list fake or used versions of your products, steal your buy box by undercutting your price, or change listing details to match their inventory. By the time you notice, you've already lost sales or received bad reviews. The alert tool gives you a chance to act right away before the problem grows. That could mean sending a cease and desist, contacting Amazon support with proof, or adjusting your listing strategy. Here is how you can set up alerts in Helium 10. You first want to get signed up with Helium 10. If you aren't already, I've left our exclusive link in the description below, and you actually can get 20% off for 6 months if you use Ecom Mastery 20, or you can get 10% off every month when you use code Ecom Mastery 10. So you can go ahead and click claim coupon and get yourself set up. You'll just need to enter your first and last name, your email address, and a password. So with the platinum plan, this comes out to just $79.20. With this, you get the expanded access to product and keyword research tools, including Blackbox, X-Ray, Cerebro, and Magnet. You also get automated Amazon FBA, managed refund service, and launch and optimize your advertisements in seconds with Helium 10's AI ads, and access to an educational resource like 7-day challenge and freedom ticket to master your Amazon selling from A to Z. Once you are logged in, as you can see, there are a ton of things that you can do. Up here, we've got dashboard, we've got tools, profits, follow-up, Helium 10 ads, manage refund service, and TikTok. What you're going to do is navigate to the tools section and go ahead and click alerts under operations. You can manually enter the ASINs of products you want to monitor or connect your Amazon seller account to pull them in automatically. Once added, Helium 10 starts tracking them immediately, no long setup. Step number 3 is to choose the alert settings you want. So you can actually customize the alerts for new sellers jumping on listings, changes to price, title, or images, changes to your bullet points or description, buy box being lost, suppressed listings. You can also set threshold. For example, only get notified if your price drops by $2 or more. Step number 4 is to get notified in real time. So alerts are sent directly to your email and inside your Helium 10 dashboard. You'll see exactly what changed, when it changed, and which ASIN was affected. This gives you a clear timeline in case you need to report the hijacker to Amazon or take legal action. Step number 5 is to take action immediately. Once you've identified a hijacker, you can use tools like Helium 10's profit inventory and follow-up tools to adjust strategy or move quickly with Amazon seller support. Now let's go over some of the key features of Helium 10 alerts. First off, 24/7 real-time listing monitoring. Once you plug in your ASINs, Helium 10 doesn't just check your listing once a day, it monitors activity around the clock. That includes changes to your title, description, images, bullet points, pricing, and even your category. This matters because Amazon updates can happen overnight or while you're off grid. Whether it's a hijacker, a listing suppression, or a weird Amazon algorithm error, you'll know exactly when something changes. You don't need to refresh your listing every morning. Helium 10 already did it. Number 2 is instant alerts for hijackers and unauthorized sellers. So one of the most important features is the ability to detect when new sellers suddenly appear on your listing. The moment someone jumps on your ASIN, you'll get notified. This is very important because hijackers often list fake or counterfeit versions of your product at a lower price. This can push you out of the buy box and kill your conversions. With Helium 10 alerts, you'll see who the seller is, when they showed up, and be able to move quickly, whether that's submitting a report to Amazon or sending cease and desist email. Number 3 is buy box monitoring. You'll get an alert the moment your product loses the buy box. This is especially helpful if you're running PPC ads. You don't want to be spending money driving traffic traffic to a listing where you're not even the one making the sale. If a hijacker takes the buy box and you don't catch it, all of your sales and ad spend could be going to someone else. Buy box monitoring gives you leverage to act immediately, whether that's adjusting your pricing or getting Amazon involved. Number 4 is listing change notifications. So this isn't just for hijackers. Sometimes changes happen because of a bad upload, a glitch on Amazon's end, or even from a past VA who had access. Helium 10 tracks every single change to your listing content, including images, descriptions, and keyword. This is really important because you spend time optimizing your listings. You don't let small changes ruin your conversion rate. Getting alerted immediately allows you to log in and revert anything that wasn't intentional. Next is suppressed or inactive listings. So Helium 10 alerts will notify you if your listing goes suppressed or inactive, which means customers can't buy and you won't always see it in the seller central right away. This is critical because Amazon doesn't always email you when this happens. Missing just a few hours of sales adds up, especially during peak traffic times or Q4. Number 6 is inventory level triggers. You can also set alerts based on your own inventory levels. So for example, you can get notified when stock drops below a certain number, so you're never caught off guard with an out of stock product. Paired with Helium 10's inventory management tool, this helps you stay ahead of delays and plan reorders on time. Number 7 is clean, filterable dashboard. So every alert is logged in your dashboard so you can track trends over time. You can sort by date, type of alert, or product. If you ever need to show Amazon a pattern or file a report, you have a full history with timestamps to back you up. The interface is clean, simple, and doesn't feel overwhelming, so you can spot what matters and ignore what doesn't. Number 8 is custom settings for maximum control. You're not going to get spammed with useless notifications. You choose which alerts matter to you. So whether you're worried about new sellers or you want to monitor pricing drops of $5 or more, you can set it up your way. It's like building your own security system, but for your Amazon business. So like I said, you can save 20% off for 6 months or 10% off month by month if you use our exclusive link below, but I just wanted to show you what you get with each plan. So they've got the starter plan, which is $29 a month billed annually, and this is the training and tools you need to get started. And then next is the platinum plan, which is $79 a month billed annually. This is everything for building a business now with AI advertising. And then lastly is the diamond plan, which is $229 per month billed annually, and is perfect for expert sellers looking to scale. So if you want to save 20% off for 6 months or 10% off month to month, make sure you use our code EcomMastery20 or EcomMastery10. Lastly, let's go over some of the pros and cons. So the biggest benefit is peace of mind. You don't have to sit around manually checking your listings every day. Helium 10 does it for you and notifies you instantly. It's fast, reliable, and backed by time-stamped data, so you always have proof if a hijacker messes with your listing. Also, because it tracks things beyond just hijackers like pricing, bullets, and buy box, it gives you full control of your listing activity. Now, on the cons, if you're on a free or starter plan, you will be limited to a handful of ASINs. For sellers with big catalogs, that might not be enough, and while the alert tool is great for monitoring, you'll still need to follow up manually with Amazon if you want to take action. So, is this for you? If you sell private label products and care about protecting your brand, alerts are honestly a no-brainer. If you're just starting out with 1 to 2 SKUs, hijackers can appear out of nowhere, and this tool is your front line of defense. Again, make sure you use our exclusive link in the description below and use EcomMastery20 or EcomMastery10. Running an Amazon business is already enough work. You shouldn't have to constantly refresh your listings to make sure no one's messing with them. Helium 10's alerts tool watches your back so you can focus on what actually moves the needle. This tool lets you sleep at night knowing your listings are being watched 24/7. That wraps up this video. This channel is dedicated to helping you build a smart and profitable e-commerce business without all the trial and error. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and leave any comments or questions below. We would absolutely love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.